Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. I am Radhakrishna Shende here with another topic. Okay. So, dear students, before going to the next topic, okay, I would like to ask you some questions. So, please listen carefully and answer me. So, dear children, do you like to watch TV serials? Hmm. Yes. I guess everybody likes to watch TV serials. Yes. Okay. Now tell me, what type of serials do you like to watch? Okay. Paw Patrol, Motu Patlu. Wow. Hmm. Again, Shaktiman. Great. Yes. Prithviraj Chavan, Jhansi Ki Rani. Hmm. Yes. Good. 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 Okay. Okay. Now tell me, are there any such serials where you have seen the magical things and the supernatural powers exist? Are there any such serials? Oh, alright. Sorry. Yes, Shaktiman. Shaktiman has the magical powers and supernatural powers. Correct. Shaktiman is one. Again, sorry. अच्छा अलादीन. यस यस अलादीन एंड अलादीन नाम तो सुना होगा. यस नाउ डेज इट कम्स. अलादीन. What the special thing about the Aladdin? Do you like Aladdin? Aladdin. Oh, young boy. Very charming, young, handsome boy. He has a very, very special quality. He has a very good friend. Do you know his friend? Yes? Genie. Yes, Genu. Correct. Dear students, Aladdin has a genie. Okay. And what is the work of genie? What work can be done by the genie? What is his ability? Yes, he is able to do anything. Okay. And he provides and he completes all the wishes. He brings all the wishes of Aladdin comes true. Okay. So if such genie comes in your life, so are you going to wish something from him? Obviously you are going to ask a lot of things, lot of chocolates and lot of games, isn't it? Yes, yes. So as we have seen the story of Aladdin and the genie, okay, so dear students, today also we are going to talk about the same story or the same type of story in our today's topic. Dear students, here today we are going to talk about the new topic unit 2, the story of, okay, the name of our story is The Fisherman and the Genie. The name of the unit 2 is The Fisherman and the Genie. So dear students, in this story we are going to talk about the fisherman and the genie, what happened to them. Okay, so are you ready to read? Okay, so I am reading, you just listen carefully, okay, and put your finger in the book. Here we go. A fisherman lived with his wife and children close to the sea. The fisherman promised himself that he would not throw his net into the sea more than 4 times every day. Most of the time he brought home enough fish to sell and also to cook some for dinner. Okay, now let's see what happened in the story? A fisherman lived with his wife and children close to the sea. So he used to live along with his wife and children close to the sea. The fisherman promised himself that he would not throw his net into the sea more than 4 times every day. So he promised only 4 times he will throw his net into the sea, and whatever the fish he will get, he used to get that. Okay. Most of the time, maximum times, he brought home enough fish to sell and also to cook some for dinner. So in this way, every day he had enough fish to sell and for home also. Okay. Now what happened next? Let's see. Early one morning, the fisherman threw his net into the water, and very quickly his net became heavy. He used all his energy to pull it out. He was excited, but what do you think he found in his net? It was the dead body of a donkey. He threw his net back into the water. Again it became heavy. He thought, this time I must have lots of fish in my net. I shall sell some and we shall have some for dinner. All he found in the net was a bag full of garbage. Oh no, he cried. What is happening? Are we to have no fish for dinner tonight? Okay, so dear students, you came to know some things about the fisherman. Okay, so as we have read here in this second paragraph, what happened next? Early one morning, the fisherman threw his net into the water. As we know, he has promised himself to throw his net into the water only 4 times. So when the fisherman next morning threw his net into the water, what happened? And very quickly his net became heavy. And when it becomes very heavy, the fisherman used to pull that net. He used all his energy to pull it out from the sea. He was excited because as the net became very heavy, he was excited and thinking, wow, today I have got a lot of fish for selling also and for the dinner also. So he was very much happy when he found that his net became heavy. He was excited. Oh, but what happened? But what do you think he found in his net? Nothing. It was the dead body of a donkey. So instead of fish, what did he get? A dead body of a donkey. Again, in the second time, he threw his net back into the water, and again it became heavy. This time also the net became very heavy. Now this time he thought, this time I must have lots of fish in my net. I shall sell them some and we shall have some for dinner. All he found in the net was a bag full of garbage. But this time also, dear students, what did he get? A bag full of garbage second time. And he was totally unhappy, sad, nervous. Oh no, he cried in sadness. What is happening? Are we to have no fish for dinner tonight? He was thinking, he was worried. Then what happened next? Again we are going to talk. Let's see. He threw the net in for the third time. We have already seen in the first time he has got a dead body of a donkey. In the second time he got a bag full of garbage in his net. Now he threw the net in for the third time. This time too he was not lucky. This time also he was not lucky. His net came out of the water full of shells and stones. So this third time, what did he got? What did he get in his net? Full of shells and stones. Oh, I shall throw it in the water just once more. as per his promise, said the fisherman sadly. This time, when he pulled up the net, he found a copper jar in it. When the final, at the last time, at the fourth time, when he threw the net in the water, this time when he pulled up the net, he found a copper jar in it. The jar was tightly shut with a lid made of lead. Okay, shut with a lid made of lead. Okay, there was a strange mark on the lid. On that jar, and on that jar which was tightly shut, okay, there was a strange mark, strange symbol on the lid. It looked like the seal of a king, and that mark looked like a seal of a king. The fisherman thought, well, he said, something is better than nothing. Okay, something is better than nothing. I shall sell this to a coppersmith because it is made up of copper. So he thought, I shall sell this to a coppersmith. He will give me some money for it, and I can then buy some food for my wife and children. Okay, so in this way, on that day, he get nothing. At first time, he got a dead body of donkey. In the second time, he got a bag full of garbage. When he threw his net in the third time, he got a water full of shells and stones. And the fourth time, when he threw his net, he got a copper jar. Okay, so what happened next, dear students, we are going to talk about in the next period. So dear students, read this story once again, try to find out its meaning and enjoy the story. Okay, thank you and have a good day.